الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وما كنا لنهتدي لولا أن هدانا الله وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا وحبيبنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم عبده ورسوله اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على عبدك ورسولك نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأزواجه وذرياته وأهل بيته وأصحابه والتابعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين تسليما كثيرا. أما بعد اللهم أرنا الحق حقا وارزقنا اتباعه وأرنا الباطل باطلا وارزقنا اجتنابه. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We will continue today, inshallah, our discussion on the parental auntie of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We are left with 3 of them. I don't have a lot of information about them, so I will try to, share with you whatever I could find. The first person is considered to be the twin sister of the father of Abdullah, father of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdullah ibn Muttalib. So it was reported that she and Abdullah were born as a twin. Wallahu a'lam, this is what's reported in some of the book. A couple of books actually, not one. So from that we know, if that's the case, then Abdullah, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's father, and her are twin. So she's again very close auntie of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She is also, for sure, this is very sure, she is the grandmother of a great companion, Amir al-Mu'mineen, Uthman ibn Affan, radiyallahu ta'ala anha wa ardaha. Her name is Al-Baydah binti Abdul Muttalib. However, she is known, or she is nicknamed, is Hakim. She passed away before Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared as a messenger of Allah, or before he received the revelation. So she did not have an opportunity to know about this great religion. Okay, she was on the religion of their forefather, which is all the way from Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, his son Ismail, and so on and so forth. However, her contribution that we can for sure is her children. She first married to Quraysh ibn Rabi'a. With him, she has a son, Amir. So Amir has a son, okay, which is Al-Baydah grandson, whom we all know, Abdullah. So Abdullah ibn Amir. Abdullah ibn Amir, if you recall, during the time of Sayyidina Amir al-Mu'mineen, Uthman ibn Affan, he was the governor of Basra, right? So Uthman ibn Affan appointed him in Basra. This is a grandson of Al-Baydah, one of the grandsons. She also gave birth to a baby girl, okay, Arwa bint Quraysh with the same husband. And she was the mother of Uthman ibn Affan. So that's why I said she is the grandma of Uthman ibn Affan. At the same time, she is the parental auntie of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Also, she is the grandma of Abdullah ibn Amir radiyallahu ta'ala anhu wa radiyallahu alayhim ajma'in. She also have a second husband after the first one passed away. From there, 3 sons. No, sorry, 2 sons and 1 daughter. All of them are companions. All of them. One is Al-Walid, the other one is Khalid, the other one is Kulthum, ridwanullahi alayhim ajma'in. So that's what we know about, what I know about Al-Baydah binti Abdul Muttalib, one of the aunties of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We want to jump into 2 more. They are very short. I don't have much information. One of them is Barrah binti Abdul Muttalib. She is the mother of Abu Salama. She is a mother of Abu Salama from Makhzum tribe. She married to Abu Salama's father, then Abu Salama was born. So you see how related they are, great companions of Abu Salama. Her wife, Salama, later became al-Mu'mineen. We will not go into this, but we are not talking about her. We're talking about now Barrah binti Abdul Muttalib. Radiyallahu ta'ala anha. She was also married to another person known as Abu Ruhm, sorry. From him also there is a great Sahaba Jalil, Abu Sabrah. Abu Sabrah was among the people who participated in Badr. Again, she was born before Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam received the revelation. The last among the aunties of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam from father side, Umamah. She married to Jaysh bin Riyah. So she has several children. Abdullah is as well as the mother of al-Mu'mineen Zainab was her daughter. Ubaidullah was her son. Abu Ahmad Abd was her son, and Hamna was her daughter. She actually accepted Islam. She lived to witness the revelation, the first revelation. She immediately accepted Islam, and she migrated to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina. Whenever Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after Khaybar was was liberated, and they have an agreement. Khaybar has a very nice dates. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to honor her, used to send 40 shipments in a year of dates of Khaybar to her, radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Because this is how adab, this is how Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam honored all his relatives, especially those who accepted Islam and who are amazing women. We love them and we honor them, inshallah. Well, there are other reports that, well, no, this is not the mother, the auntie of the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There's another Umamah. Her name is slightly different, but again, she also goes back to Ibn Muttalib, but I could not know which one is which, so I presented both. What is apparent is that the elder one, the first one that I mentioned, the auntie of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in fact, majority of the Sam said she did not migrate, and she did not live, she did not witness the revelation. First book I read was she did accept Islam, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, every time he migrated, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam honored her. But the other say that was the wrong Umamah, and that Umamah was Umamah binti Rabia bin Al-Harith bin Abdul Muttalib. Okay, so this is like Abdul Muttalib, eldest son Al-Harith, and then her daughter, her son Rabia, and then Umamah. There are some who alluded to this, and I didn't know, so I'm presenting both of them, either this one or that one. But we know that Umamah binti Abdul Muttalib was one of the aunties of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whether she witnessed the revelation, whether she migrated to Medina, whether she was the one who received the gift on a regular basis, shipments of gift from Al-Khaybar, Allahu A'lam. So I conclude now with the paternal, the father side, the aunties of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as far as I recall, and they are all what I presented. Okay, so I just want you to remember that much, that they are Safiya, Arwa, Atika, Al-Baydah, Barrah, Umamah. All of them are from the grandfather of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and brother of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, father Abdullah. May Allah make us among those who have an opportunity to reunite them when we make they are in Jannah, inshallah. We want to see them, and we will want to be reunited with them, and we also want Allah to give us opportunity to honor them and love them and know them, that they are amazing women, and we love them all. Allahumma sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim alayhi.